Everyone has a secret in their beauty arsenal, whether it's that magic oil or that special serum that you use. For me, it's all about a retinoid. I've been using a retinoid since my 20s. A retinoid is basically a chemical compound that's vitamin A or chemically related to it. And for me, this is my magic ingredient. We created something super unique and different with Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb. This has 1% retinoid in it, the right amount that you need for all the benefits that you want to see from a retinoid, but it's strong enough you're going to see results relatively quickly. That was what was really missing. When you use a prescription retinoid, your skin gets red, it gets irritated, it starts peeling, and it can be too much for my sensitive skin. And when you use a retinol that you can buy over the counter, it takes 6 and 12 months to see even moderate to mild results. So this is going to give you the perfect medium of seeing results, but being gentle enough that you can use every day. We also use squalane in this formula to hydrate your skin, because when you're using a retinoid, you want to make sure you have that moisture from the squalane. You also want to improve the elasticity of your skin overnight, and that's why we put peptides in the formula. Also, this idea of skin rejuvenation. At night, I want my skin to replenish and repair itself. I want new, fresh skin. So retinoid is going to accelerate that process. It's going to speed up all of the skin rejuvenation and radiance, and it's also going to prevent the breakdown of collagen. The best way to use Do Not Disturb is to apply a pea-sized amount and really use that to be a thin layer all over your face and neck. Apply it to a clean face and let it be the last step in your skincare regimen. Make sure you're using an SPF daily. My skin has literally never looked better. I'm feeling fresh and youthful in my 40s, and I owe it all to Do Not Disturb.